Okay, this video starts out, I'm just cleaning up the bottom of a piece that's been flipped over. I'm just putting a footing on the base of the pot, cleaning it up, smoothing it out, and then I'll do the carving on it. So that's how the bottom of the piece is finished on most of my pots. They're similar to that. Over on the right, there are a couple of views of the piece when it's finished with the carving. Again, they're on the Lockerbie wheel. You can see the carving. So here I'm starting the pattern. I put down a few guidelines on there. With like right now, I'm touching a few points on there for certain locations that I want to carve a line to. And I'm starting to relief cut or carve the pattern. I have that stain on there. I mix it myself, and that will turn to a satin black at cone 6 in an electric kiln. So here I'm starting to add a few other features to the pattern as it goes all the way around. It's a repetitive pattern. It's broken up into 8 sections. The piece is leather hard, so I like the consistency of the clay or the dryness of the clay to be just about right for the carving of the tool. It leaves cleaner lines. So if it's too moist or too dry, the lines can come out a little bit either too mushy with edges or too rough because it's too dry. And I have different loop tools to use, some with a smaller loop, some with a square loop, different types of patterns. But anyway, I always enjoy doing it. These patterns are not the most complicated, but to me, they look nice when they're fired. And the clay itself is sort of a medium tan or brown earthenware type clay. So here I'm finishing up the pattern here, relieving the area at the top of the relief carving pattern itself. There's a band around the top there. Just adding a few more little features here and there. So when it's all done, this piece will be allowed to dry at room temperature, and then it will be bisque fired. And then after that, it'll have the semi-transparent glaze applied to the entire surface, except for the base or the footing. And then it'll be fired again in my scut kiln to cone 6.